Alright, so today we're going to work in text, and instead of dragging a file into Photoshop, I'm going to go open up Photoshop and I'm going to go File, New, and you create new, and you'll get a screen that'll look like this. We're going to go to the photo, and we're going to do a 5:7. It's horizontal. 300 is the resolution. And in this case, instead of a white background, we're going to drop it down to black and click create. So we should get there. My crop tool is selected, so I'm just going to go to my move tool and get rid of that. Alright, so we're going to work with text today, and it is the T button on the toolbar. If the toolbar is not there, remember to go up Window and click Tools. I'm going to click the Tool button. You can see right here, these are my fonts. Maybe, there we go. Those are all the fonts I have. These are how it is presented, either bold, italic, semi-bold. Some fonts don't have anything. It'll just say regular. The next portion is the size, how it's justified to the left, middle, right. The color, in this case, I think I'll stick with this green. Maybe let's do purple. That's kind of bright. Alright, so I'm ready to go. I am just going to take the mouse. You can see the text tool right there. I'm going to click it once, and I get a cursor here. Now, if you keep clicking text, it will make a new text layer each and every time. So you have to make sure that your text is selected. Type in my name. I will highlight it, and I can make it bigger. There we go. Once I click the move tool, I can move this around right to here. Now, if I were to re-edit this and I click my text tool to do that, see how there's a box around that little text cursor? It's going to make a whole new layer. So watch this. If I click here, it made a new layer. I don't want that. What I want to do is I want to edit the text layer I just created. So I'll click T, and you can see how it disappears. Now I can click it and I can edit that. So the first text effect that we're going to do is just do a mirrored image. So I'm going to hit Command J to make a new layer. You can actually see, there it is. Command Z to undo. Here's the layer. I'm going to click Transform and flip vertical. There we go. Bring it down. So I can use my arrow keys here. Now I'm going to lower the opacity a little bit. There we go. And in order to edit this, what I have to do is I have to right click or control click, and I have to go to this rasterize the type. What that does is it turns it from a type layer to an image layer. If you don't do that, nothing's going to happen. Once I do that, I'm going to go to my eraser tool. Make sure that it's set to soft and brush, and I can just kind of brush this out a little bit. Maybe I'll take the opacity just a little so it's not quite so much right away. There we go. And I can continue to click on that. And now I have a pretty cool reflection from my name. I would save that, and this is one that you can turn in. Alright, a couple other things about text. I deleted that mirrored image. Go up to my move tool here. There we go. Again, if I want to change the font in this case, I can. I will go to my text tool, and I will highlight it again. And then I can come up here and I can change the font to whatever I want. Now, what you're going to be doing today is you're going to continue watching the other video that's attached. There are 4 other text pieces that are attached with it. Follow it along. I think you should be able to do most of those, but I just wanted to get you started.